Next in CSS, we are going to work with flexbox. So this is our emit code, and here within body section, we are giving dot container. This is a we have assigned class container to our dev, and within this container, I'm giving one more dev. This child class is assigned to internal dev, and in head section, this is style tag, and within this style tag, first of all, we are going to create container class. I'm giving width of this class to 400 pixel. Height is also 400 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid black. So this is our box. Now I'm putting this box in the center. So margin auto. Horizontal, this is going to horizontally center the box, and margin top 100 pixel. Save. Now I'm creating a child class, and here I'm giving its width to be 100 pixel. Height is also 100 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid black. And here we are giving background color to it to aqua. So this is our container box, and this is our child box. Right now it is at top left corner. Now we want to put this box here in the center. So what we have to do here is, in the container class we have to give display to flex, then justify content to center, and align items to center. So our child box is going to come in the center of this box. So this is center. Now I want to put this box here somewhere. So what we have to do here is, here justify content will be center, and item align, here I'm changing it to be baseline. Save. Now we need to put this box here at the end. So what we have to do, we have to change this. Instead of baseline, here we have to put end. Similarly, if we want to put this box in top left corner, so here I'm giving justify content to baseline, and items align to baseline. Now here in the center, if you want to bring it here some in the center, so justify content will be center, and items align will justify content will baseline, and items align will be center. And if you want need to bring at this corner, that is bottom left corner, so here we'll be changing it to baseline, and here it is going to be end. Similarly, if you want to bring it here top right corner, so here it is going to be, instead of baseline, here will be end. and here it will be baseline. Now here it is going to be and center, and this position will be, means bottom right corner will be